Hi everyone. Let's do calendar. Are you ready? Let's do our rules song. Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, and a calm body, Nice work. All right, friends, let's do our calendar. I think we're going to go right into calendar today.
Yippee! It's
Oops. All right, so first we do the days of the week, right? Follow along with me if you can. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Wednesday, right? Today is what? Think in your head. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Sometimes if you say it in your head, it helps. Thursday, right? Great job. Today is Thursday. All right, good work. Let's do the months of the year. Ready? What do we start with? What month? Starts with the J. January. Right. Ready? January, February, March, and May, June, July, and September, October, November. Then we turn around. Good job. Were you able to fill in the blanks? I bet you were. The month is May. Nice job. May starts with what letter? May starts with letter M. May, monkey. Those are words that start with M. Nice job. What holidays are in May? That's a different question. What holidays or special days are in May? Remember the rose? Mother's Day. Love you, Mom. Mother's Day is a holiday in May. What else? This is called Memorial Day. That's a holiday in May. Great job. All right, now it's time to do our counting. We're going to start with number 1. Show me 1 on your fingers. 1. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What comes next? 14, right? 12, 13, 14. 1 and a 4. 14. Great work. So we can say Thursday, May 14th. Great. Let's go here. Let's do the weather. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you tell us what the weather's like? Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? That was tricky for Miss Amanda to leave out a word. All right. So the weather today, you can look with your eyes, right? And you can look at your window. Wow. I'm so excited because, again, it's another sunny day. Where's the sun down here? Right here, good. The weather today is sunny, right? On my weather chart, we're running out of days. Sunny days. I have to make a bigger one. All right, so when I color in the square, sunny day, sunny day, sunny day. All right. let's count together. How many sunny days have we had? Ready? Let's count. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, we've had the most sunny days. 7. 7 sunny days, 1 rainy day, and 2 partly sunny days. Great work. I hope you got to play outside a little today or take a walk. All right, let's do the temperature today, okay? The temperature. Sometimes that's on your phone or your parents' phone. Sometimes you can watch the news and they tell you what the temperature is. So right now, I see this number. It's hard to see, so I'm going to write it down. It's 66 degrees. That's a big number. 66 degrees. Whoa. So 66 degrees. That's not hot. That's not cool, though. That's warm, right? 66 degrees is warm. And you know what we could do? So if it's 66 degrees outside, if it's warm weather, what could we wear when it's warm? What is Miss Amanda wearing? It's a t-shirt. Can you say t-shirt? T-shirt. When it's warm out, we can wear t-shirts. Right there. And pants. Maybe pants. We don't have to wear a coat. We can wear a t-shirt on our bodies and pants. Right? Nice. All right. The season. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. The season is, remember, it's feeling warmer. The season is spring. Can you tell me that? What's the season? Spring. Great work. All right, friends. Let's say the whole date today. All right. Today is Thursday. What's the month? May. What's the number? 14th. Nice. 14th, we could say. The weather today is sunny. The temperature feels warm. T-shirts. The season is spring. Great job, you guys did a nice job in calendar. Thanks for doing it with me and listening and watching. Good work. See you later. Bye.